In the previous class, we have discussed about the Rutherford's atomic model. That based on the experiment, alpha particle scattering experiment, we have seen that Rutherford conclude that the model of the atom is in such a way that the positive charge is concentrated in a very small region that is known as nucleus, and the electrons are around the nucleus. He also states that the atomic model was synonymous to our solar system. We can say that the Rutherford atomic model is a small scale solar system. Let us discuss about it. पिछले क्लास में हमने देखा है कि जो रदरफोर्ड एटॉमिक मॉडल है वो स्मॉल स्केल सोलर सिस्टम जैसा है. स्मॉल स्केल सोलर सिस्टम का मतलब क्या है? वी हैव सीन दैट इन केस ऑफ planets and the solar system, what we have seen that the planets and the suns are at quite larger distance. But in case of atom, we have seen that the dimension of atom is of 10 to the power minus 10 angstrom. Let us compare it and know what is the drawback of Rutherford atomic model. Let us compare the Rutherford atomic model with our solar system. What we have seen here, in case of Rutherford atomic model, the nucleus is at the center and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Here, what we have seen, the sun is at the center and the planets are revolving around the sun. What we see here, we see which force is acting here. We know the force is electrostatic force. The first one what we have got, the Rutherford atomic model is small scale solar system. Why? Because we know the dimension of the atom that is 10 to the power minus 10 meter, or we can say angstrom size. Next, when we compare, here we know the gravitational force is acting here, and here we know the electrostatic force is acting. You can see here. Next one. In case of Rutherford model, the electrons are similar to that of planets. and here the nucleus is similar to that of sun. In solar system. The next, what we see here, electrostatic force is acting here, and we know the formula F equals to K Q1 Q2 by R square. Here we know F equals to G M1 M2 by R square. This K is synonymous to this gravitational constant. This Q1 is synonymous to M1. This Q2 is synonymous to M2. And we know the R square is the distance of separation. Then what we conclude here, हमने क्या पाया है यहाँ पे? हमने देखा है कि जो रदरफोर्ड एटॉमिक मॉडल है, उन्होंने बताया कि ये हमारे प्लेनेटरी सिस्टम, सोलर सिस्टम के सिनोनिमस है. और क्या सिनोनिमस है? इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो प्लेनेट की तरह है. दे आर रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन एंड द सन इज सिनोनिमस टू दैट ऑफ न्यूक्लियस इन आवर एटॉमिक मॉडल. तो एटॉमिक मॉडल में जो सन है वो न्यूक्लियस के सिनोनिमस है. बट इन दिस केस व्हाट वी नो? We know the theoretical calculation. Theoretical calculation means when we are going to calculate the force, we can calculate, and what we see that is validated by the experiment. That means the force which we calculate, we observe in this case. But what about this? We see that the theoretical calculation is not validated by the experimental data. It means there is contradiction. यहाँ जो हम फोर्स जानेंगे वो हमें एक्सपेरिमेंटल डाटा से जो ऑब्जर्वेशन मिलेगा वो दोनों एग्रीमेंट में हैं, दोनों एक दूसरे के सिनोनिमस है, एक जैसे हैं. लेकिन व्हाट अबाउट दिस? लेट अस नो. इन केस ऑफ वी हैव सीन दैट द रदरफोर्ड एटॉमिक मॉडल इज सिनोनिमस टू आवर सोलर सिस्टम एंड वी नो that the calculation, theoretical calculation, is in agreement with the experimentation. So let us implement, let us check whether in case of Rutherford atomic model the theoretical calculation is in agreement with experimental data or not. When we have assumed that the Rutherford model is synonymous to our solar system, we know in case of our solar system, the planets are revolving around the sun. हमने देखा जो हमारा सोलर सिस्टम है उसमें जो प्लैनेट्स हैं वो सन के चारों तरफ रिवॉल्व कर रहे होते हैं. और रदरफोर्ड ने बताया कि जो हमारा एटॉमिक मॉडल है वो प्लैनेटरी मोशन जो सोलर सिस्टम है बिल्कुल उसके जैसा है. अगर उस तरीके से हम कंसिडर कर लेंगे तो what we have to take that the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. But what we know, according to Maxwell theory of electromagnetic radiation, what we have to assume? That this one is the nucleus and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus like planets. But what we know? According to Maxwell theory of electromagnetic radiation, that when a charged particle is in accelerated motion, then it will emit its energy. What it means? It means we know this electron is a charged particle, and when a charged particle, let us say that it is having uniform motion around the nucleus, and we know when there is uniform circular motion, that is also known as accelerated motion. Why? Because we know if the speed is 20 km per hour, but what we see here, the direction changes continuously because the motion is circular motion. Then in that case, the velocity changes, and when the velocity changes, then in this case, what we have accelerated motion. According to Maxwell theory, when a charged particle, this one is the charged particle, when a charged particle is in accelerated motion, we see here that this electron is a charged particle and it is in accelerated motion because the velocity changes, direction changes. And when it is in accelerated motion, then this electron will emit its energy. It means when the time passes, then the energy of the electron will decrease. And when this is so, then slowly and slowly, by making a spiral path, the electron will fall inside the nucleus in a time of 10 to the power minus 8 seconds. Clear? It means what we say? We see that this electron is a charged particle, और जब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज पार्टिकल है और जब ये क्या करेगा, यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन करेगा, तो ऐसे मोशन को हम एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन कहेंगे. और जब कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स या कोई चार्ज पार्टिकल एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन करता है, देन इट विल इमिट इट्स एनर्जी, एंड व्हेन it is going to emit its energy, then the content of its energy will decrease, and slowly it will spiral inside the nucleus. What we see, this type of atomic model is not possible. To the next, what we see here, that when we assume the electrons is revolving like the planet, it is not stationary. It is not stable. Sorry. If it is not stable, then let us take that the electron is stationary. Let us see here. This one is the nucleus and the electron is stationary. Here what we have assumed, that the electron is moving like planet. If the electron is stationary, then what we see here, then there is electron is negatively charged, and what we see, the nucleus is positively charged. Then there will be strong electrostatic force come to play, and due to this electrostatic forces, the electron will fall inside the nucleus. That is a type of Thomson atomic model. What he has proposed, that the electrons are embedded in a positively charged mass. We have studied when the electron falls inside the nucleus due to strong electrostatic forces, then we got a miniaturized Thomson atomic model. Then what we conclude? By two statements, what we conclude, that the Rutherford atomic model is not stable and therefore it is incorrect. Let us summarize it once again. रदरफोर्ड ने बताया कि जो हमारा एटॉमिक मॉडल है वो हमारे सोलर सिस्टम के सिनोनिमस है, और हम सोलर सिस्टम में देखते हैं कि जो थ्योरेटिकल कैलकुलेशन है वो एक्सपेरिमेंटल डाटा से सिनोनिमस है, एग्रीमेंट करते हैं. लेकिन हम देख रहे हैं कि अगर हम थॉमसन एटॉमिक मॉडल को सोलर सिस्टम के सिनोनिमस माने, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो हमारा प्लैनेट्स के सिनोनिमस होगा, और जो न्यूक्लियस है वो सन के सिनोनिमस होगा. अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम प्लैनेट के सिनोनिमस मानते हैं, तो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो प्लैनेट की तरह सन के चारों तरफ, आई मीन्स न्यूक्लियस के चारों तरफ क्या करेगा, सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट में वो मूव करेगा. लेकिन मैक्सवेल की इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक थ्योरी ये कहती है कि अगर कोई चार्ज पार्टिकल है और जब चार्ज पार्टिकल एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन में जाएगा, तो हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन में है, क्योंकि यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन भी अगर होगा तो डायरेक्शन बदलने के कारण वो एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन हो जाता है। तो व्हाट वी सी हियर दैट दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन हैज एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन। और मैक्सवेल की थ्योरी ये कहती है कि जब कभी भी कोई चार्ज पार्टिकल एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन करेगा तो उसकी वो क्या करेगा, वो अपनी एनर्जी को रेडिएट करेगा, बाहर निकालेगा। जब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन अपनी एनर्जी को रेडिएट करेगा देन इसकी जो एनर्जी का कंटेंट है वो डिक्रीज होगा, और जब एनर्जी का कंटेंट डिक्रीज करेगा तो स्लोली ये स्पाइरल पाथ बनाता हुआ इन अ टाइम स्पेन ऑफ 10⁻⁻8 सेकेंड में ये न्यूक्लियस के अंदर गिर जाएगा। और इस तरीके का एटॉमिक मॉड्यूल पॉसिबल नहीं है। दूसरा, मान लेते हैं कि यहाँ कंट्राडिक्शन है, यहाँ हमारा इस कंसेप्ट पे हमारा एटॉमिक मॉडल स्टेबल नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो हम मान लेंगे कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है यहाँ मूविंग था, तो यहाँ हम कंसिडर कर लेंगे कि इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो स्टेशनरी है। हम जानते हैं जब इलेक्ट्रॉन स्टेशनरी होगा तब स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स विल कम टू प्ले। यहाँ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स काम करने लगेगा, और जब इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स काम करेगा देन दिस इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स विल पुल द इलेक्ट्रॉन इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस, एंड वी नो द डायमेंशन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस इज ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ what 10⁻⁻15 meter. And according to Thomson atomic model, what we have seen, the dimension, the size of atom is of 10⁻⁻10 meter. What we have the size of the nucleus, 10⁻⁻15 meter. One electron falls inside the nucleus, then what we see, it is like this. This one is the nucleus. It means the positive charge is uniformly distributed and the electrons are embedded into it. This is a type of Thomson atomic model, and the size is 10⁻⁻15 meter. 15 meter. Here the Thomson atomic model is the size of 10⁻⁻10 meter. Then it is a type of miniaturized छोटा Thomson atomic model है। बस this two way, इन दोनों रास्तों से हम Thomson atomic model के स्टेबिलिटी को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाते हैं। This is the demerit of Thomson atomic model. This is all about the drawback of Thomson atomic model. Let us conclude it. Drawback of Rutherford atomic model. The first one, the electrons are similar to planets, and the electrons are similar to that of planet, and the nucleus is similar to the sun. Then similar to that of the sun. Then the electrostatic forces held the electron with the nucleus as in case of solar system, the gravitational force held the planets with the sun. The next, in case of solar system, the theoretical calculation is in agreement to that of experimental values. Let us calculate the theoretical. Let us check that the theoretical value in case of Rutherford atomic model is in agreement with experimental values or not. The first, when we take or when we assume that the electron is revolving around the nucleus as to that of planets in solar system, then in that case the electron is a charged particle and is in accelerated